this video, I'm going to show you how to set up LED notification on your Xiaomi Pad 5. So in order to do that, we'll need to download the app from the Google Play Store. So let's just go to the Google Play Store and start searching for the app. Its name is NotifyBuddy. It's this app. We're gonna press install. After it's done, press open. And you will need to grant both of the permissions to the app. After you granted both of the permissions, there's this third option here, battery optimization, optional. You don't need to disable that, but if the app doesn't work properly, go back to here and disable that setting. So now we're gonna finish setting up the app and we can go to the main functions. So basically what it does, it adds the LED lamp to your phone, or in this case the tablet, when your tablet is locked. So here you can enable any app you want notifications in form of the LED to get from. So for example, Netflix. Here is the system, and there's all kinds of system apps that you can enable to get notifications from as well, like calendar for example. And active. Here you'll see the all active notification apps, like we've added calendar and Netflix. Now if we go to the settings, here you can customize the LED by itself, like its size, its icon, its position on the screen, or any setting imaginable here. So to actually see the LED itself, we need to press on the test, and here you will see the blinking dot, which is this LED notification. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.